Instead of opening up the Blue Ribbon Committee on the flood control, kung saan nawawala ang trilyon-trilyon nating pera, ano ang priority ng administration ngayon? Yung impeachment ng Vice President. Because we all know, pag hindi nila matatanggal ang Vice President ngayon, hindi sila makalagay ng presidente nila on the 2028 elections because he is a great threat sa presidency this 2028. Now, I go back. Tingnan nyo, the unitary system of government, presidential one. They have so much control and so much power, and that is centralized right now, kaya nangyayari sa atin to. The president can threaten anyone. Tingnan nyo, walang natitira. Dalawa nating senador, isa nating senador, kinulong nila. Our guest candidate during the midterm elections, Rodante Marcoleta, just because he wants to open the Blue Ribbon Committee on Flood Control, anong ginawa sa kanya?